Almost every tech opener, product launch, or news bumper leans on one thing: a wall of cards, a camera flying through them, landing on a title. This whole thing is laid out with one command. The usual way is rough. Turn on 3D layer by layer. Place each card's depth by hand. Keyframe the camera segment by segment. Or buy a template whose card count and camera move are locked. In this episode, we start from an empty project and build it up, step by step. All scripted, no plugins, no paid template. After Effects does the real work. Claude just writes the script faster. The first prompt does not describe steps. It describes the finished look. A soft light gray backdrop, these clips laid out as a grid of cards. Claude writes the minimal skeleton. Make a comp, import the clips, lay them out as cards. One command into AE, and 9 cards are already laid out. But it is flat, no depth, and nothing moves yet. Now let the cards move. They surge in from deeper, one after another, into their places. Each a few frames apart, with a little bounce on the landing. The whole set assembles itself, instead of just being there all at once. One stagger value controls the timing of the whole group. Now cluster the cards, overlapping at different depths. Each one tilted, and fly a 3D camera straight through them. First run, the camera is moving, but the field is flat. No parallax, no sense of travel. It looks just like that grid. Because these are imported footage layers, and they default to 2D. The camera cannot touch them. Claude writes a probe to read each layer's 3D switch. All 9 cards come back false. Flip each card to 3D and spread them across depth, and the depth snaps in. The camera genuinely flies through a stack of cards. From flying through the cards to landing on a title is one last step. The camera decelerates on the final approach, and the title surges into place from deep, carried by that push. At the same moment, the cards dissolve out and hand off to the title. The whole montage resolves into one title. A soft light gray 3D plane behind it catches each card's gentle shadow. The camera eases to a stop. It reads instantly as a tech launch opener. This part is the real point. Card count, clustering, tilt scatter, the reveal window, the camera path, the colors, all pulled into one config block. Change one thing and the whole montage relays itself. Drop the count from 9 to 6, recolor the backdrop, push the camera's sideways sweep further, and the landing shifts off-center, so you see exactly how much to pull it back. Swap in your own footage, and the same structure takes the new clips. This is not a locked template you bought. It is a finished look you fully control, on your own brand. I put this script in the description. It is one self-contained file. No plugins or membership needed to run it. Download it, open it, and run it in After Effects with File Scripts, Run Script File. The default is this 9-card fly-through. Then remove 6 card entries, dropping the count from 9 to 3, run it again, and the whole wall relays. Swap the colors, recolor the backdrop and title to a warm set, and run it again. Widen the gap between cards, and the whole wall spreads open. Run it again. A few parameters, a few finished looks, all in your hands, all running in plain After Effects. Do not take my word for it. Run it yourself. The prompts and the runnable script from this episode are free in the description, and they just run. The COD clips, you download yourself from the free stock sites. And if some are missing, the script falls back to solid placeholder cards, so the structure still runs. What actually does the work behind it? The 3D card layout engine, the camera fly-through path library, the staggered entrances, is all in the full 2D membership toolkit, updated every episode. One command lays out a whole 3D card montage with a camera fly-through on your own footage. The full prompts and script are in the description. To run the complete toolkit behind it, subscribe to the 2D membership. If this helps, follow and subscribe. Every episode is a finished look you can run.